So EasySPC is used in our organisation over at Rotherham Trust to illustrate performance trends over time using our Power BI Insights library. So Power BI Insights library is essentially the way in which we share our data analytics with our customers, and being able to integrate SPC with relatively little fuss is a real enhancement for us. I would say that one of the best features of EasySPC is our ability to draw it down very simply from the custom visual store, and then once we've got that and our keys are put into it, we can quite easily just drag and drop our data and our fields into it, and then it will enable us to very quickly see the patterns and trends. So there's an additional feature that we're finding really useful at the moment, which is how it aligns to something called making data count, which is the NHS Improvement, NHS England's preferred way of demonstrating SPC. If I was to describe my experience of working with Cloud2, I would say they are knowledgeable, very approachable, and always happy to discuss different ideas that we might have and solutions to any problems that we're facing.